Hey guys, good morning. How you doing? So guys, this is guava, right? Yeah, look if nobody I look. This is a guava leaf, right? It is good to make tea. I remember what it good for, but I know said for make tea. So if you guys know what it good for, you can tell me, right? But me I gonna make some tea with it. But here we are going, guys. I have to admit, when I am on the delivery trail, a thief, Jesus, peace it there. A thief things, right? So me thief guava and sometimes me thief mint, right? Please guys, me I beg no forgiveness. Alright, me I beg no forgiveness. Me thief a guava, me thief a mint. More time me pick a one mango. Or if you have a sour sap, if enough me will pick a one sour sap. But if I don't enough me allow you sour sap. Because I know some people love them sour sap. But guys, for all of my sins of stealing, right? I want you to allow me to make it up. I want to pay back for my sins. Alright? How can I pay back for my sins? If you guys sign up so that I can give you a free shipping coupon. Right? Please guys, allow me to pay for my sins. Alright? So I want you to sign up so I can give you a free shipping coupon. Every new customer gets a free shipping coupon for the first item under £5. So basically, you can taste and buy. You can ship your item, first item under £5 for free with us. And me thief more things too, guys. If you have orange on the tree, I'm going to take one orange. But if you pay for that, I'm going to give you 4 free coupon per year. Every customer, no matter who. Every customer gets 4 free shipping coupon per year. Alright? So guys, help me please. Here me no want to go hell. Me a thief, so let me give back some things, pay back for my sins. Alright? Go ahead, click the link. It's either here or it's in the description box. Click the link, join us today so we can give you some freeness. Alright? Catch you guys later. We're gone.